Welcome to today's lecture. I am Rajashri Kumbhar, working as Assistant Professor at Information Technology Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to tackle a fundamental question in information technology: how good are your search results? We will be exploring the core matrices used to evaluate search performance, precision, recall, and the F measure using real-world examples you encounter every day on Google. Let's establish a scenario we can use throughout this lecture. Imagine you are a new programmer searching Google for a Python tutorials for beginners. On the first page, Google shows you 10 results. This is our total retrieved. Now let's look at the ground truth for those results. 6 of those 10 results are actually useful tutorials, that is relevant and retrieved. 4 are not useful, irrelevant and retrieved. Across the entire web, there are actually 12 truly useful tutorials for this query, that is total relevant. How pure are the results? How can we measure using the precision? The first matrix is precision. It asks, of the results the search engine showed me, how many were actually useful? We calculate this by dividing the relevant and retrieved documents by the total retrieved. In our example, 6 divided by 10 equals 0.6 or 60%. High precision means less noise. The user doesn't have to shift through as many irrelevant results. Next we have recall. This asks all of the truly useful results that exist anywhere. How many did the search engine actually find? We calculate this by dividing relevant and retrieved by total relevant. Here 6 out of 12 useful pages gives us a recall of 0.5 or 50%. High recall means the search is comprehensive and hasn't missed important information. In search engineering, there is an inevitable trade-off. You usually can't have 100% of both. To get higher precision, an engine can be stricter, showing only the most confident results, but it might miss good but less obvious pages. To get higher recall, an engine can be less strict, showing more results to ensure it catches everything, but this almost certainly introduces more junk which lowers precision. How do we judge overall performance with one number? We use the F measure or F1 score, which is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It provides a balanced score and punishes systems that have extremely low values for either metric. For our Python tutorials, the calculation results in an F1 score of 0.545, showing the result is moderately good at both purity and completeness. Let's reinforce this with a new query: best laptop for students. Here total retrieved are 10, relevant and retrieved are 8. Total relevant on web were 20. Here precision is high, that is 0.8, but recall is low, 0.4. This system is optimized for a user who wants quick, reliable suggestions rather than an exhaustive survey of every laptop on the market. Which metric matters more? It depends on the cost of failure. You prioritize high recall when missing a result is dangerous or costly. Medical diagnosis. A search for cancer symptoms must find all relevant documents. Missing one could be catastrophic. Legal discovery. Lawyers cannot afford to miss a single relevant email in a court case. Here completeness is paramount. You prioritize high precision when irrelevant results are frustrating or waste time. In e-commerce, if you search for an iPhone 14 case and see Android cases or chargers, it's a poor experience and a lost sale. At general web search, high precision ensures ensures users trust by putting the best answers on the very first page. Why can't Google just give us 100% on both? First, relevance is subjective. What I think is a good tutorial might be different from what you think. Second, the web is massive and constantly changing. Third, queries are ambiguous. Does Java mean the code, the coffee, or the island? As powerful as these matrices are, they have limits. They assume binary relevance, that is, a page is either perfect or trash, and they have no sense of rank. They don't care if the best result is at the top or the bottom of the page. This is why we have developed advanced tools like NDCG, normalized discounted cumulative gain, to capture rank aware satisfaction. To summarize the core of search quality, precision measures purity, that is relevant retrieved divided by total retrieved. Recall measures completeness, that is relevant retrieved divided by total relevant. F measure provides the balance. Ultimately, choosing which to prioritize is a critical product decision driven by the specific needs of your users. Think of a fishing net. Recall is like the size of the net. The bigger the net, the more fish you catch from the entire ocean. Precision is like the quality of the catch. If your net is so large it also pulls up old boots and seawoods, your precision is low. A perfect search engine is like a net that only catches the specific type of fish you wanted and every single one of them in the sea. Thank you for joining me today. Understanding these matrices is your first step towards building information systems that truly serve the user's goals.